The two suspects in this case just wrapped up their first appearance about an hour ago. 11 Alive's Joe Hinkie continues our team coverage with that angle of the story. Joe?
Jennifer, Christopher Cook and Christopher Golden both denied bond in the past 45 minutes when they had their first court appearances inside the courtroom, inside the Cobb County jail behind me. The judge told Golden he is charged with 2 counts of felony murder and 2 counts of aggravated assault against law enforcement officers for the shooting last night. Meanwhile, Cook is being held on theft-related charges. That was the reason for the warrant that the deputies were trying to serve last night. Now, sources tell us that Golden and Cook, they both lived at the house where the shooting of the deputies took place last night, and Cook's mother is the homeowner. In the past hour, Christopher Cook, followed by Christopher Golden, each made their first court appearances in Cobb County. In the courtroom, Cobb, Fulton, and Gwinnett County sheriffs and Michael Register, the director of the GBI. Both defendants remained silent except for yes and no answers to the judge. The pair were arrested late Thursday night after 2 Cobb County sheriff's deputies attempting to serve a warrant at their home were shot and killed. For both Cook and Golden, this is not their first time in custody. The pair are listed as co-defendants in an active 2019 case where Golden is accused of stealing an iPad and tools, and the two then allegedly sold the items at pawn shops for a few $100s. In a 2012 case, Cook was sentenced to 10 years probation after he was found guilty of burglary, theft, and violating the state's Substance Abuse Act. In that case, Cook and a different co-defendant were accused of entering his mom's house through a rear window and stealing electronics. He also broke into 2 churches and stole a gun, sword, and other items. Warrants detailed investigators finding Cook with several small bags holding cocaine. And multiple incidents in February of this year led Cook to be charged with several more counts of theft. And Cook was denied bond during his hearing. The judge said that's because he was charged with another felony while out of prison, on probation. Meanwhile, Golden was denied bond because this was a magistrate court hearing in Georgia. Superior Court judges are the only judges that can grant bond in murder cases, and he is now facing 2 counts of murder. Both defendants will have bond hearings in Superior Court later this month. Ron?